In this video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off above 4G decoding on GIGABYTE motherboards. First, turn on or restart your computer. Then, press the delete key many times as your computer starts to open the BIOS setup. You can use the arrow keys to move between the options. Press F2 to go to the advanced mode. Above 4G decoding only works when your computer is set to UEFI boot mode. So, before you turn it on, let's go to the boot menu and make sure that CSM support is turned off. On most newer motherboards, CSM support is already off by default. Next, go to the Settings tab. Move the selection and choose I/O port setting. Here, find the above 4G decoding option. Press Enter to enable it. When you are finished, press F10 to save your changes and restart your computer. You can go back into the BIOS setup one more time to check that the setting has been enabled correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.